Hello fam, another day, another haul, and first ever haul of 2021. Yes, you happen to see another haul on my channel already this year, but those were the products which I happened to get in Nykaa Pink Friday and as well as Black Friday. So if you haven't checked that haul, do check it out later after watching this interesting one. So you know winters are already here, and yes, not every state feels the same kind of winters I'm feeling because I stay in Delhi, but I think Delhi is being a little better than last year. Last year was really bad, but this year I have managed to sustain this cold, and you can see I'm not wearing any kind of sweater, so I can still resist. And personally talking, I'm a person who doesn't feel cold quickly. So yes, I did grab a lot of things. So first up, I'm going to show you a lot of skincare products which I just wanted to stock up, and secondly I wanted to try something new because I'm already done with my oldies, and if you haven't checked my empties video, then you should be heading there later, because yes, I do show you a lot of things, I do try a lot of things, but I finish up a lot of things. So let's get started. So first up, I'm going to show you some interesting skincare which I happened to grab from Amazon, and I got most of the things from Wow Skin Science. Now I'm somewhat like addicted to this skincare brand, just like K-Beauty and Nykaa and Calabar, and internationally I would say Colourpop. So as I'm addicted to these brands and I happen to buy their new launches instantly, so Wow के साथ भी मेरा कुछ ऐसा ही रिश्ता बन गया है. So yes, since I have tried so much, I've done so many reviews, and since I was like, you know, some skincare was missing into my skincare basket, so I was like, let me just grab few. So the first thing which I happen to grab is something which I was eyeing from the longest time. I'm already using one of it. Is the Wow Skin Science hand washes. Now Wow Skin has hand washes also. Yes, and I always used to put one in my cart, and I always forget to buy it, or I would say not so important thing. I already have a Dettol hand wash, I already have a Nykaa hand wash, I already have a Bath and Body. Why should I buy the Wow Skin Science? But just for that curiosity factor, I wanted to just get one. So this is a new packaging. You can see it's not even open. There's another one which I have got, is the argan oil one. Oh my god, firstly packaging is stunning. इसमें तो बहुत ही flimsy सा लग रहा है, but when you remove the plastic, you really like the bottle, that huge bottle. This will cost you only $3.99. Yes, now a lot of you would say $3.99, is it inexpensive? But for the amount of hand wash you're getting here is not a joke, and compared to many high-end brands, I felt this was really well done. I'm already using their argan oil. You will see reviews, or you would have already seen it, but soon I will be showing you how these hand washes work, but worth buying. I bought two of them. First I bought the argan oil one. When I liked it, I went ahead and bought the coconut one. I was like, stock up kar lete hain, because hand washes are a must nowadays. So yes, something really wonderful done by Wow Skin Science. Cleansers. Yes, you know me that I am a cleanser hoarder, and it's not only buying and keeping it. I like to have 2-3 cleansers at, like, if I'm doing a skincare, I need to have one cleanser in my filming room, this is this room, then I have to have 2 cleansers in my main bathroom, that is my bedroom, and I use all the 3 on the go. Just that every cleanser has a different property, so I like to keep multiple cleansers into my skincare routine. So this one is something new, is the Wow Skin Science Green Tea Foaming Face Wash. This is with the inbuilt brush. Why do I think that I've already bought this in a different packaging? I just don't remember it, because I have already used so many that I don't even have a count of it what all I have tried and used up. So yes, this one I got. This will again cost you $4.49. This one, when I was picking up, I happened to see another one, is the refill pack. Now Wow has come out with these refill packs. Okay, now this apparently costed me 50 rupees lesser, because here you're just getting a refill. I'll show you the original bottle. So this is how the outer boxes come. Let me show you the actual body of the face washes. So this is how the cleanser would come, the green tea foaming face wash with the inbuilt brush. And you know I'm a big sucker for these cleansers with their inbuilt brushes, because I do not exfoliate a lot. So these cleansers with these inbuilt brushes do the job for my skin. And I happen to see a refill. Yes, so I bought the same refill, the Wow Skin Science foaming face wash again. Now what you have to do, basically you open this when it is empty, and you just have to pour this in this. you are saving 50 rupees straight up. You're not wasting an extra packaging. Secondly, you will get an extra silicone brush applicator with this packaging. So obviously when you will keep using it, you would like to change this. So that was really thoughtful of the brand, because I was expecting only the refill. I was not expecting the applicator, but I did get the applicator also. So yes, stunning purchase. And since I wanted to see how the refills look, I got a little overboard and I did order a few more things which I've still not received. So yes, something really interestingly done by Wow Skin Science. This is another addition, the Moroccan Argan Oil Foaming Face Wash, and it comes into this one. Currently I'm using the coconut one and this one, because obviously I want hydration, a load of hydration, because obviously the weather is drying. And at any point, I do not like my skin to be stretchy, cracky, because obviously I'm into my aging. So I have to be really cautious what I'm using. So include some hydrating cleansers, but not overly hydrating cleansers and not overly done cleansers, which will dehydrate your skin instantly. So look out for Wow Skin Science cleansers. I highly recommend. Again, something really well done here also. I've been already using. So yes, this will cost you again 349, and I think you get the refill for this one also. So in future, if I have to buy a cleanser from Wow, the same one, I will not buy the full packet. I will definitely go for the refill. Firstly, I save up, and secondly, I do get an additional discount again on the product, so I save extra. So yes, something really well done by Wow. Okay, so now I think I'm on the last two products, and these two products I'm already using. The first one is the Wow Skin Science Pure Vitamin C Day Face Gel, and the other one is the Pure Vitamin C Sleeping Night Gel. Now I've already used something like this, the sleeping pack, the aloe vera range itself, and I've completely finished it off. The reason of me getting, actually I was only getting the day one, I was not getting the night one, but then I was like, what is wrong in it? Let me just try it together, how I feel. The reason of me getting is, firstly, aloe vera itself is a very much good hydrating ingredient. Secondly, it is well done for any skin type. Aloe vera you can apply your whole life and you will still see magic on your face. So if nothing is working, aloe vera will definitely work. That is for sure. I am not saying because I'm a content creator, you know it for yourself. So since it has vitamin C, and since I'm avoiding to put vitamin C serum at this point because I feel my skin gets a little drying, so I avoid it completely. So I was like, isme mil raha hai, to why not? And since they were not very expensive also, one is for $399. I got an additional discount on Amazon, so I could save up here again. And one more thing I would like to mention, that you can use these products on your hands, legs, wherever you feel like. You just don't have to put it on your face. मैं तो इसे hands पे भी लगा लेती हूँ और legs पे भी लगा लेती हूँ, and I'm sorted. So I'll just show you how it looks. This is how the gel is. It's not very thin, it's not watery because it is winter, so it's already, everything is very freezy. What I do, I will just put it on my hands. Oh, and the scent of it, oh, it's stunningly done. Okay, if you are a fan of these scented candles which has those citrusy scent to it, you will love these gels by Wow Skin Science, and I absolutely love them. So this is how it is, and I really enjoy putting them. So it has been a part of my winter skincare routine. And another last thing which I happen to grab is from a different brand altogether, is the Indus Valley Brightening Deep Pigmentation Gel. You know at all, this is the cult favorite of bronzing geek, not anyone, and something which I cannot live without. It has to be there. So mine is completely over the earlier dabba, and this is not my second jar. I think this is my 6th jar by Indus Valley. Highly recommend this product. So if you want to, like, you know, decrease or delete a few pigmentation marks or blemishes from your skin, then I would say this product will work. Just give a little extra time, you will see magic. If it doesn't work completely, then it is not going to work. But if it starts working, then it is going to work. So just give a little extra time when you're done, and this will cost you only 250 rupees, nothing more than that. I've done a full review on this long time back on my channel. So head on to that video. There's only one video on Indus Valley I have done for products I reviewed, and to my surprise, this is a very underrated brand, but they have done such amazing products, again organic, naturally done, and yes, this is one of my favorites. Let's move on to some makeup. Yes, I know everybody wants to see what makeup I picked up, but yes, some blunders have also happened here, so you have to watch the video till the end. The first thing which I happened to buy is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now this palette I ordered in the month of June 2020. I happened to receive it in December end. So it was a quite a long wait because of all corona problems, lockdown, custom clearance nahi ho raha, ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha, bahut kuch nahi ho raha. So if you're buying makeup from Instagram, be patient, forget about it. And it's just that monthly you can just drop in a message, have you received my makeup? That's it. And I would suggest you not to do the full payment, do partial payments, and so that even you are into safe zone and even the seller is into safe zone. The first thing which I happen to get is this Jackie Aina ABH palette. Now I do not own a lot of expensive palette, and this is my second palette by ABH. The reason of me getting this was clearly Antariksha, because for some reason I was not interested buying any other ABH palette because of one major issue, is that after opening the palette you can use the palette only for 6 months. Yes, you can stretch it up to 1 year, or you can stretch it up to the time when you feel the shadows are still performing the same way, but still in back of the mind you are still thinking, okay, it's expired, okay, it's expired. So that was one major reason I did not buy any more palettes. But this one in particular I had to, just because I happened to see a video by Antariksha where she happened to mention that, you know, she bought a second backup. She was so scared that this will never come back, and I was like, okay, that means it is really well done. And since she has another one, who buys the same palette twice? So yes, that surety from her made me buy this palette. So yes, I really like the outer packaging of it. I bought this palette from the page called Cosmetic Club on Instagram. I will link her page in the description. This is the only thing I have bought from her, and it took the longest time. It was not her fault. I do give it to the Instagrammers, sellers, because it's not their fault. What are they going to do keeping our makeup with them, because they have a lot of makeup to manage. So yes, this is how the palette is. Oh my god, this palette looks so good and so juicy. Today I'm wearing this palette on my eyes. I've already been wearing this palette because I just wanted to wear it. If you have checked my worst of 2020 video, then I think you'll know I was wearing this palette itself. So this is how the palette would come. Again, a wonderful palette by ABH, but Jackie Aina has done such a stunning job here. I feel more than any other palette after Modern Renaissance, I would say this can be one of their best palettes because of the color scheme which is going on, and secondly the warmthness you get here. So being an Indian skin, I look out for little cool tones and a little warm tones and some good shimmers. So yes, the palette, all the shades, I think I have used almost every shade. All the mattes I have used. It's only these 3 shimmers I have not touched. Apart from that, I have touched every single shade from this palette. So yes, today also I have used so many shadows from here, because when you play around with this palette, you're like, you want this also, you want that also. And for some reason, when I open this palette, I just tend to get a little creative with my eyes, and I like it. So yes, a stunning purchase. Well done by ABH, well done Jackie Aina, amazing shades. I absolutely love this purchase of mine. Next up is a complete repurchase, is the L'Oreal Paris Black Instant Root Concealer Spray. I have used like bottles and bottles of it, and currently the price has gone like half of it. Earlier I used to pay 600 rupees, now I'm paying only 299 for one bottle. This one thing will last you for the longest time. If you do it every day, then it's not going to last you longer. But kabhi kabar you don't have time to do coloring and touch-ups and all that, then this really comes handy. So it was just a complete repurchase, and I just wanted to have it because mine is over. So I went ahead and added 2 more shades to my Calabar Sinful Matte lipsticks. The 2 shades I happen to buy is the shade Tainted and Sexy. This is how they come. Okay, this is how they come. Again, you know all about it. I've done a full review and a swatch video, but there I swatched only 4 shades and I added 2 more just because one day Nykaa had this amazing offer, buy one get one, and additionally they had 20 or 25% off, where one lipstick was costing 960 rupees. So ideally I had to pay only 960 for 2 lipsticks, but I was super smart to use all of my Nykaa points and I just paid 370 rupees odd for only 2 lipsticks. Can you imagine how much I saved here? So it was completely like a free deal for me, and I happened to get 2 stunning shades. So let me just swatch both the shades. Enough of talking, I'm already talking too much. So the tinted shade I'm wearing on my lips, and the second shade I got is a shade called Sexy, number 12. And you see how pretty it looks. I just don't want to swatch it, but I will swatch it for you. So let me just give you a little close up. This is such a stunning and a lovely shade. It's not a typical red which has a lot of blue going on, but it is something really different. It has a lot going on. I really like this shade. And the second shade is something which I'm wearing on my lips. I have not a single shade which is so lighter in Sinful Matte. I have all more of mid-tone, deeper, warmer shades. So yes, I'm really happy that I picked up this one, and I was pretty confused on this shade, should I get it or not, but since it was buy one get one, I was like, get it. Even if I don't like it, I will not regret it because I'm not paying even for one lipstick. So yes, lovely purchase. If you haven't tried Sinful Mattes by Calabar, then you should be. So for instance, if you do not get any discount on Nykaa, and if you want to buy anything from Calabar in general, so you can avail 20% off by using a coupon code. I will place it on the screen, and you get flat 20%. Even on the existing discounts, you get additional discount after using this coupon code, so you end up saving a lot. So yes, if I have to buy any Calabar products, I generally buy from Calabar website just to save that extra 20%. So yes, I will leave it in my description if you want to check it out. But yes, these were stunning purchases. Another repurchase, another well-made product by Calabar is the Calabar Just Smoky Kajal. I have used like almost 5 shades from this range, and the black one is the one which I have went back and repurchased again and again, because colorful ones I do buy from different brands. I would like to try different brands by using different colors, but black one in general I have to have it in my vanity, and this one completely is missing because my last one was completely over and I did not buy it again. So since I was buying something from their website, I was like, let me just add this kajal, and I'm wearing it in my eyes today. Again, something well done by Calabar. Waterproof, does not bleed, stays well, and absolutely well pigmented. You don't have to rub in your eye like a million times to achieve that deep black kajal. But I feel by far the 2 kajals which are well done in application wise, or I would say 3, would be this one, Faces Canada, and Nykaa I Am Bold. Well done. You just need 1 stroke and your eyes are done. Now before I start showing you more interesting stuff, let me show you purchase which I'm not happy about, and today I'm wearing it on my skin because I just wanted to wear it. So this is the e.l.f. Satin Finish Foundation, the Flawless Satin Foundation. This is how the foundation would come. The only drawback was with this purchase that the shade is completely off. It's the shade Vanilla. It's very pale. So if you are lighter than my skin, like at least 2 shades lighter and then lighter, and you don't have any kind of warmth in your face, then you would like it. But for some reason this shade doesn't have any kind of warmth, so when I apply it on my face it looks very ashy. Like in my mouth area I just feel it looks a little ashy now after a wear time of 2 hours, because I had to really go in with a deeper foundation to mix in with this one and then fix everything back and square. That is why I've over bronzed myself today, just because I wanted to hide this foundation. So yes, I went completely wrong with the shade. So I would not be reviewing this foundation as of now. Let me get my right shade and then only I will do a review. There's no hurry. e.l.f. is already on Nykaa, so you will get e.l.f. now. So do not panic, do not do excessive buying, do not buy everything in a bulk, because now everybody is doing that, clearly. So content creators have got stuff for free. Okay, they have to try it and tell you what is best. You watch those videos are going to help you to decide what you want to buy, but that doesn't mean that you buy every possible thing just because you happen to see Elf on Nykaa. This is what happens when international brands are launched on Nykaa. People just get like here and there and they want to buy every possible thing. Do not do that. Enough time, lot of people are going to buy it. Lot of the people are going to review these products and you will know which one to pick up. Just like I bought the foundation, only a foundation I bought because I already have their blush palette, contour palette and the highlighter I'm wearing on my skin today. It's their Dreamcatcher palette that is not even there on Nykaa. So take your time, breathe and then buy. This shade completely went off for me. I did buy this in 20% off the second day, but I regret buying it. I should have waited for more time because they had more 6 to 7 shades which were out of stock. So maybe I would have got my shade in that. So yes, completely, I don't know what to say. Moving on to another interesting purchase which you will happen to do after watching this video, because now it's all about interesting good looking masks. So these masks are from the brand called Kasoli. This is how they will come in a nice pouch, and then you get 3 masks and a little adjusting strap also. You get something like this, because if your strands are loose then you can just pull it from one side, drag it to another side and fix your mask super tight on your face. So you get 3 masks here. This is how the mask would come in the block prints. You get 3 different designs and then you get a nose pin here and you wear the mask. So lovely mask, amazingly done. This is my second purchase, and since I was filming this haul I thought let me just show you some interesting masks, as I have tried a lot of brands but not every brand has nailed the mask story. I would say this Kasoli brand has done well. Van Heusen's masks are also good, and then Jockey masks are also good. So if you want to try good masks, then these are the 3 brands I can suggest. Apart from that, I've tried a lot of others but I have not liked their fit or the cloth they have used. So yeah, saying that, let's move on to some more makeup. Next up, a complete repurchase, and I wanted to repurchase this as soon as possible. This is the Plum E-Luminous Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. Something well done by Plum. Again, a lot of you people ask me, is it heavy, is it oily, is it yay? It is heavy. For oily skin it is not made, it is made for dry skin, but I like it for my skin being oily because I like to remove every nook of makeup with a good balm. Secondly, I double cleanse my face, so I do not face that issue of pore clogging or feeling heavy on my skin. And secondly, for a price you get a good balm here. I cannot buy Clinique Take the Day Off every month or every second month, I would say. So this comes pretty inexpensive, pretty easy to remove all of your waterproof makeup, and yes, it is well done by Plum. So something complete a repurchase. I have not started using this one because I'm already using the Face Shop Herb Day Cleansing Balm. Once that is done, I will open this one. Now moving on to the last 2 products, and the products from my favorite brand, Colourpop. So I went ahead and bought 2 of their products from their holiday collection, one eyeshadow palette and one blush. So they basically launched 2 different palettes with 2 different families of things, like one palette, one blush, 2 lipsticks, like that. So I picked up a palette from one family, a blush from another family. So I got the palette called Boudoir Noir. Okay, I'm dead sure about this that I have pronounced the words completely wrong, so don't judge me here. So this is how the palette is, and they have launched another one which has more berries. So I skipped that palette altogether because I think I have a lot of berries and mauvey tone shades from Colourpop itself, and this one really caught my eye. So I was like, no, I will get this one, and this was like really well done again. This reminded me of my Tarte Toasted palette, and I really like that palette, but I still feel the way this palette is going to perform, that she lacks it. So yes, for the pigmentation, the quality, I bought this one. You get a full size mirror here. another wonderful purchase. And yes, I did receive this palette just recently, like 1 week back, so I thought I'll just show it to you. And I bought another blush from them, a different finish altogether, and from another family. This is their Colourpop pressed powder blush in the shade Love Story. This is how the blush would come, and you get a full-size mirror and the blusher. Now this blush shade is very rustic. Secondly, this blush has a lot of shimmer going on, and not a lot. It's not going to show up on your skin like boom. No, it is very subtle and gentle. So I do not have a formula like this in my whole blush family. I have a blush from Faces Canada, which I thought will be similar, but no, that formula is completely different, okay? So this one is completely different. See, here is very subtle. So I had to go in with more of a deeper shade later on my cheeks just to pull off this shade. A lot of skincare, a lot of makeup, and a huge humongous haul happened. And yes, I absolutely love everything I showed you here because I have bought products from my trusted brands. Yes, shade wise things can go a little here and there, but I'm happy in a whole getting all of these products. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to buy anything for yourself. But wait for some more time. Reviews are coming up on my channel. Be subscribed to my channel and follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.